You're 30. The new 20, they say. But while your knees might still be holding up, that nagging feeling in the back of your mind, the one that whispers about retirement, real estate, and whether you're actually winning the game of life, is getting louder. If you feel like you're behind, stop right there. You aren't. But the winging it phase of your 20s is officially over. In the United States, the average 30-something is juggling student loans, rising rents, and the sudden realization that a 401k isn't just a random string of numbers. Today, we aren't just talking about saving pennies. We are talking about building a literal empire from your living room. We are breaking down the exact blueprint to transform your 30-something uncertainty into a wealthy reality. This is the decade where the compound interest curve stops being a flat line and starts looking like a rocket ship, and I'm going to show you how to ride it. Before we dive into this step-by-step wealth-building blueprint that will change your financial life, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of future millionaires. We drop deep dives like this every week to help you master your money. Now, let's get to work. Wealth in your 30s isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and how hard that money works while you're sleeping. Most people think wealth is a lottery win or a viral tech startup. In reality, it's a series of boring, disciplined moves executed with military precision. Step 1 is the Great Audit. You cannot build a skyscraper on a swamp. You need to look at your bank statements with the cold, calculated eyes of a forensic accountant. Most Americans are losing hundreds of dollars a month to lifestyle creep. That silent killer, where every raise you get is immediately swallowed by a nicer car or a slightly bigger apartment. Stop. Before you invest a single dollar, you need a high-yield emergency fund. We're talking 3 to 6 months of expenses, sitting in a bucket that pays you at least 4 or 5% interest. This isn't for a vacation. It's your sleep well at night insurance. Think about your money as a small army of soldiers. Every dollar you spend on something you do not need is a soldier you've been sent off to die. Every dollar you invest is a soldier you've sent out to capture more soldiers, too. In your 30s, you finally have the income to build a real battalion. If you're in the US and you are UNT maxing out your employer's 401k match, you are literally throwing free money into a paper shredder. That match is a 100% return on your investment, instantly. No stock on Wall Street can guarantee that. Then, meet the Roth IRA. This is the holy grail of wealth for the American middle class. You put in after-tax dollars, now. And when you're 60, you pull out every cent of the growth completely tax-free. Imagine having $1 million and the IRS can't touch a single penny of it. That's the dream we're building here. But we can't stop at retirement accounts. To build true Leave Your Gerbily wealth, you need to bridge the gap with a taxable brokerage account. This is where you buy low-cost index funds, the boring stuff like the S&P 500, or a total stock market fund. You are trying to find the next meme stock or the next-to-the-moon crypto coin. You are buying the 500 biggest companies in America and letting them do the heavy lifting for you. While everyone else is gambling on moonshots and losing their shirts, you are steadily owning the entire economy. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: debt. Not all debt is created equal. Your mortgage at a fixed rate? That's leverage. A credit card at 24% interest? That's a financial parasite. You need to kill high-interest debt with a vengeance. Use the avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest rate first while maintaining minimums on the rest. You won't find that kind of return anywhere else on earth. As you progress through your 30s, your income should be rising. This is where the magic of the side hustle to asset pipeline comes in. In today's digital economy, your skills are a tradable global currency. Whether it's consulting, freelancing, or creating digital products. That extra $1,000 a month shouldn't go toward a better dinner or a flashy watch. It should go straight into income-producing assets, like real estate or dividend-paying stocks. Real estate. In your 30s is a game changer because you have the time horizon to let equity build and rents rise. Whether it's a duplex, where you live in one half, or a simple REIT, getting exposure to property is a pillar of the American wealthy class. Let's get even deeper into the psychology of this. Most people fail because they are trying to look rich. In your 30s, the social pressure is at an all-time high. For friends are posting photos of their new Teslas, their designer bags, and their 5-star European vacations. It is so easy to feel like you are losing the race. But here is the secret. Most of those people are one paycheck away from total disaster. They have the stuff, but they don't have the wealth. Wealth is the silence of a paid-off home. Wealth is the peace of knowing you could quit your job tomorrow and be fine for a year. Wealth is invisible. G. Are choosing to be rich over looking rich? Imagine it's 10 years from now. You're 40. Because you took these steps today, your investments have doubled. Your debt is gone. Your passive income covers your grocery bills and your mortgage. You are no longer working because you have to. You are working because you want to. That is the power of the 30-something pivot. This is the decade where the decisions you make carry the most weight. You have enough experience to know how the world works, but enough time left to let the math of compounding do its thing. The final piece of the puzzle is automation. If you have to think about saving money every month, you've already lost. Human beings are wired for instant gratification. We want the dopamine hit of the purchase. To win, you have to remove your own willpower from the equation. Set up your accounts so that the moment your paycheck hits, your 401k is funded. Your Roth IRA is topped off, and your brokerage account gets its cut before you even see the balance. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. This is how accidental millionaires are made. They just set the machine in motion and went about their lives. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. But the pace you set in your 30s determines where you finish the race. If you start today, by the time you hit 40, you won't just be doing okay, you'll be unstoppable. You have the roadmap. You have the tools. The only thing left is the execution. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Because the perfect time was 10 years ago, and the second best time is right now. Go check your accounts, automate your investments, and start building that empire. You owe it to your future self to be rich. Success isn't a destination. It's a series of smart choices made consistently over time. You've got this. See you in the next one.